everyone! Welcome back to Travel with the Hamiltons. Today we are giving you the full tour and our honest review of Universal's Stella Nova Resort. From rooms to dining, pool vibes, and overall value, so you can see if it is worth staying here on your next Universal Orlando trip. The resort feels bright, modern, and cosmic inspired, with glowing blues and silvers everywhere. It still has that brand new hotel feel. Everything is spotless, and the staff here have been super friendly since we arrived. Wow, okay, the lobby is absolutely stunning. Check out these high ceilings and the cool futuristic design. First impression, this place screams contemporary luxury and rating 9 out of 10. Right off the lobby, you have got the Universal store, which is super convenient. You can grab all your Universal merchandise here. We are talking Harry Potter, Minions, Jurassic Park, everything you would find in the parks. Alright, this is where we were teasing earlier, the third floor light feature that most guests walk right past. The ceiling has this incredible illuminated design that changes throughout the day. It's like being in a planetarium. Most people head straight to the room, but this is a hidden gem that you don't want to miss. Trust us on this one. The room has a cool and modern look. It feels really open. Bathroom is compact but spotless, and the shower pressure was great. There is a mini fridge, coffee maker, and the TV has plenty of channels plus streaming capabilities. The beds are super comfortable, soft mattresses, fresh sheets, exactly what you want after a long day at the parks. What really stands out is the theming. Even in the room, you get those contemporary space-inspired design touches that make you feel special. And rating 8 out of 10. The pool area is one of the highlights. Look at this pool, it's great size with plenty of lounge chairs around the perimeter. The pool has a nice deep range, so it works for both kids who wants to play and adults who want to actually swim. There is both sunny and shade areas, which is perfect because that Florida sun is no joke. And the pool towels are provided right here. You don't need to bring your own from the room. Right by the pool, you have got this awesome bar where you can grab drinks and light bites. And right next to the pool is the jacuzzi, rating 9.5 out of 10. The market section is more your grab and go spot for coffee. Yes, Starbucks coffee, snacks, drinks, or something quick to take back to the room. Meanwhile, the cafe is where you will go for full meals like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It has a spot where you can sit down and enjoy a full meal. And rating 8 out of 10. For those of you who like to keep up with your fitness routine on vacation, they have quality equipment here, and they are open 24 hours. Rating 8.5 out of 10. Now this is fun. The arcade game room, you will find classic favorites here. Rating 8 out of 10. Stella Nova is a beautiful new resort, modern, comfortable, and great value for couples or families. Overall rating 8.8 out of 10. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Universal hotel reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.